Elevate your brow game with our Eyebrow Trimmer Kit. Say goodbye to unruly brows and hello to precision grooming with our Eyebrow Trimmer Kit. Our eyebrow trimmer ensures every hair is tamed and shaped with accuracy, giving you the perfect arch and definition. This kit is not just about trimming, it's a complete eyebrow grooming solution. Our trimmer's efficiency means you can achieve polished brows in minutes, leaving you with more time for the things you love. Maximize your space with our over-the-toilet storage rack. Our storage rack doesn't just organize, it adds a touch of elegance to your bathroom. The sleek design complements any decor style, turning your bathroom into a sanctuary of style and functionality. Our rack provides multiple tiers of shelves, perfect for storing towels, toiletries, and decorative items without sacrificing floor space. Say hello to our game-changing cordless hair straightener and curler, the must-have beauty tool that combines versatility, convenience, and style. Our stainless steel finger guard creates a reliable barrier between your fingers and the blade. Say farewell to accidental cuts and hello to confident, injury-free food preparation. Say goodbye to towel troubles and hello to organization and style with our self-adhesive towel bar. Our self-adhesive design makes installation a breeze. Just peel, stick, and you're ready to hang your towels in seconds. The powerful adhesive ensures a strong and secure hold on various surfaces, including tiles, glass, and painted walls. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your towel bar will stay in place, even with daily use. Place the towel bar exactly where you need it. Revolutionize your laundry routine with our portable semi-automatic washer. Our washer's compact size means it fits seamlessly into any living space. Perfect for small apartments, RVs, dorms, or even as a secondary washer in larger homes. This semi-automatic wonder combines the best of both worlds, the efficiency of automatic washing and the control of manual operation. Despite its compact size, our washer packs a punch when it comes to cleaning power. Elevate your seating experience anywhere with our portable collapsible stool. This stool is designed with portability in mind. Collapse it into a compact size, toss it into the included carrying bag, and you're ready for any adventure. Perfect for camping, hiking, fishing, picnics, or simply relaxing in your backyard. Despite its feather lightweight, our collapsible stool is engineered for durability. Crafted from high-quality materials, it can support your weight with ease. Tired of chilly and uncomfortable bathroom experiences? Say goodbye to those cold, hard toilet seats and embrace the warmth and coziness of our soft toilet seat cover. Our toilet seat cover is crafted from plush, high-quality material that transforms your everyday bathroom routine into a spa-like experience. Designed to combat the shock of a cold toilet seat, our cover provides a layer of insulation, keeping you comfortably warm even during the chilliest mornings or late-night visits. Elevate your kitchen game with our Airtight food storage bags. Our Airtight seal ensures that your fruits, veggies, and snacks stay as fresh as the day you bought them. No more compromising on taste or nutrition, it's freshness guaranteed. Organize your kitchen, keep your pantry in check, and enjoy the flexibility of having a reliable storage solution for various food items. Safeguard your fingers with style and comfort. Introducing our finger protector cover caps, the ultimate solution for injury-free activities. Whether you're cooking, crafting, or working in the garden, these finger protectors have you covered. The innovative design ensures a snug fit on your fingers, providing complete coverage without compromising dexterity. Maximize your kitchen space with our over-the-sink dish drying rack. It's a game changer for small kitchens, providing ample drying space without taking up precious countertop real estate. Our drying rack lets you drip dry your dishes directly over the sink, ensuring a swift and seamless cleanup process. No more soggy messes, just sparkling clean dishes. With compartments for dishes, cutlery, and even a spot for your cutting boards, this rack is your all-in-one kitchen assistant. Brave the chill with our winter fleece face mask, your ultimate companion against frosty winds. Designed for those who seek warmth without compromising style, it's a must-have for every winter adventurer. Introducing our portable mini handheld sewing machine, your creative companion that fits in the palm of your hand. Unleash your sewing prowess anytime, anywhere, and stitch up a world of possibilities. This mini sewing marvel allows you to take your craft on the road. Whether you're on a trip or at a friend's place, bring out this pocket-sized wonder and start sewing in style. This mini sewing machine is your go-to for quick fixes. Hemming a skirt, stitching a button, or repairing a tear. Handle everyday sewing challenges with ease and speed. Elevate your kitchen efficiency with the rotating kitchen storage cart. Our storage cart's 360-degree rotation ensures that every spice jar, utensil, or ingredient is within arm's reach. This storage cart is a space-saving marvel. Its compact design allows it to fit snugly into corners or slide neatly beside counters, maximizing every inch of your kitchen. The sleek design not only adds a touch of style to your kitchen but also offers practicality with multiple tiers and compartments to organize your cooking essentials in a visually pleasing way. Transform your living space with the L-shaped sofa couch cover, the epitome of elegance and practicality. Our L-shaped sofa couch cover effortlessly wraps around your sofa, giving it a stylish makeover. The snug fit and chic design instantly revitalize your space, creating a cozy haven for relaxation. Introducing the automatic shoe cover dispenser, where convenience meets sophistication. Our dispenser transforms the mundane act of putting on shoe covers into a quick and seamless experience. Just insert your foot, and voila, instant shoe cover perfection without the fuss. With swift precision, it reduces the time spent on wearing shoe covers, making it the ideal companion for busy professionals, health-conscious individuals, or anyone who appreciates efficiency. Our clothes rack offers a canvas for your fashion creativity. Showcase your favorite outfits, mix and match accessories, and turn your wardrobe into a visual masterpiece that's always ready for its close-up. Say goodbye to bulky storage and hello to sleek simplicity. Our adhesive shelves are the epitome of minimalistic marvel. Elevate your space with these chic shelves that effortlessly blend into any decor, making storage a stylish affair. No drills, no fuss, just stick it and forget it. Our adhesive shelves offer a seamless style upgrade, turning any blank space into a curated showcase for your favorite items. Chase away the chill and treat your feet to warmth on demand. Our foot warmer insoles are your ticket to toasty toes. Whether you're braving the winter cold, exploring the great outdoors, or just lounging at home, our foot warmer insoles are designed to combat the cold, providing providing a secret weapon against icy temperatures. Bid farewell to frosty toes and welcome a winter filled with warmth. Experience snuggle-worthy softness with our plush foot warmer insole. Upgrade your bathroom aesthetics and create a shelfie-worthy space. Our innovative design combines a toilet paper holder with a convenient shelf, making the most of your bathroom space. Our holder's built-in shelf ensures that spare rolls, phone, or a small potted plant are right at your fingertips. Our holder is designed for easy installation, providing maximum impact with minimal effort. Meet the superhero of sealing solutions. Our tape isn't just waterproof, it's a fortress against leaks and moisture. Our tape is designed for easy application. Just peel, stick, and watch it work its magic. Whether it's a leaky roof, a cracked pipe, or a worn-out gutter, our tape has got you covered. Our tape is versatile enough to tackle any surface, be it metal, PVC, plastic, or rubber. It's the Swiss Army knife of sealing solutions, ready to handle any waterproofing challenge that comes its way. Our tape not only seals leaks but also patches up cracks and gaps seamlessly. It's like a spa day for your surfaces, giving them a rejuvenated and leak-free look. Turn any day into a spa day with our portable foldable bathtub. Our bathtub is designed to unfold easily, offering you a spacious and comfortable soaking experience. With our portable bathtub, you can take the plunge anywhere, from your backyard to your balcony. Transform any space into your personal oasis. Our bathtub combines the best of both worlds, a comfortable soak and the convenience of collapsibility. Experience the perfect blend of fashion and function with our satin lined beanie. Our beanie features a luxurious satin lining that pampers your tresses, preventing frizz and maintaining your hair's natural moisture. Our beanie is your go-to winter accessory, designed to keep you warm while maintaining your hair's health and style. Transform the worn and torn into the renewed and resilient. Our self-adhesive nylon repair patches are here to rescue your favorite gear, from jackets and tents to backpacks and more. No need for sewing skills or complicated repairs. Just peel, stick, and watch as our patches work their adhesive wonders, giving your items a new lease on life in seconds. The self-adhesive backing ensures easy application, while the durable nylon material guarantees lasting results. Our patches come in various colors and shapes, allowing you to customize your gear with a touch of personal style. Elevate your space with our self-adhesive tissue paper holder. Our self-adhesive tissue paper holder seamlessly integrates into your space, providing a sleek solution to keep your tissues within easy reach while maintaining a stylish aesthetic. Installing our tissue paper holder is a breeze. No tools, no drills, just peel, stick, and enjoy the convenience of having tissues at your fingertips. Experience the magic of effortless cleaning. Our flat microfiber mop glides smoothly across surfaces, grabbing dust and dirt with every pass. The advanced microfiber technology in our mop ensures exceptional absorption and particle pickup. It not only cleans but leaves surfaces streak-free, giving you a spotless finish every time. Whether it's hardwood, tile, laminate, or vinyl, our flat microfiber mop is designed to excel on various floors. Our jacket set features advanced waterproof technology, shielding you from rain and snow. Embrace the outdoors, knowing you're equipped with gear that defies unpredictable weather. Experience a touch of luxury every time you step on our water-absorbent floor mat. Its advanced microfiber technology effortlessly soaks up water, keeping your floors dry and your feet pampered. Our quick dry magic ensures that your floor mat is ready for action again in no time. No more waiting around for it to dry. Enjoy the convenience of a mat that's always ready for the next adventure. Our water-absorbent floor mat isn't just a functional accessory, it's a style statement. Immerse yourself in the cloud-like softness of our microplush fleece sheets. Our fleece sheet set provides an extra layer of warmth, making it the perfect companion for chilly nights. Embrace the warmth without sacrificing breathability for a dreamy night's sleep. From frosty winters to cool summer nights, our microplush fleece sheets are designed for year-round comfort. Unleash a burst of energy wherever you are. Our portable exerciser is your go-to companion for a quick leg and foot workout, making it easy to stay active, even in the busiest of schedules. This compact exerciser is designed for on-the-go fitness. Toss it in your bag, take it to the office, or use it at home. The possibilities are endless. Your personal gym that fits in the palm of your hand. This versatile device targets both legs and feet, providing a tailored workout experience. Thanks for diving into the world of gadgets with us. Have a favorite gadget or want to share your thoughts? Drop a comment down below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay up to date with the coolest gadgets hitting the market. Join our gadget community and be the first to know. Until next time, stay curious, stay tech savvy, and keep exploring the wonders of the gadget universe. See you in the next video.